really is great for this kind of display.
So daintily.
At a corner, and we have to take out it's fully mature.
All these people looking at you.
House, and using the parkway, and it had raised the gutters.
Just put it on. Just put your face in it right now. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah, I know. They're like, no, we kind of down. Now we have this little.
Whoop.
It's going to be forever.
It's good and moist, huh? Look at that.
And it would be,
Chloe, go stand next to him so I can get you in the picture. Go stand right next to him. There, now I can see you. That's good. Thank you. That's very good.
You might get some cake in your face.
Yeah. That's good, Chloe. Thank you.
Oh, big bite.
That's a big bite.
That's good, huh, buddy? Is that too much?
Well, a little too much.
Yes. Some little pieces. You like the cake? Is the cake good?
your daughter's youngest.
Oh.
Really? Look at that.
Oh, you're going to have a blue tongue.
He's doing better with it now than he was. We got him a little piece on Wednesday on his birthday. And he was kind of testing it, but wasn't
Wasn't too